we thought we'd bring y'all along on our latest adventure. We were bringing this truck here, the dually, to Georgia on the rollback over there. The rollback was pulling this trailer right here, so we have unloaded both of them because we have had a flat tire on the back of the rollback. But luckily we were only about an hour away from our destination. We're able to make it up here to a parking lot. When we went to start the dually over there, now it cranked up fine at the shop in Tennessee. Loaded it on the truck. We went to crank it here and the battery would not start it, so we had to go in advance right there just to buy a $200, $300 battery to put in that thing so that we could unload it and be able to drive it. So he is going to see if he can take the tire off of it now, the rim, but it's shredded pretty good. Using the wheel lift back here on some blocks to lift the truck up, or lift the rear axle up. Luckily this truck's got air on it, so
I got him to the rescue because we don't have nobody to call with a big enough truck to everything.
Right, he said MacGyver to the rescue. And we did bring tools with us, thankfully, so even in this crazy, unexpected situation, we were able to make it off the road and do have some tools with us to be able to work with. We just don't have a tire. Dark, so maybe we can get this done and get all this situated. We've got our son Devin and Miranda. They're coming to pick up the trailer for us. They don't have enough air pressure. There's one. Yeah, buying a battery and buying a tire was not in the budget for this trip at all. Take them off. Compressor just can't keep up with that. this trip. Not at all.
Between the fuel and all this, that's $1,000.
Right. That we didn't have. Devin's on his way to get the trailer. Yeah. It's been an exciting day because we ended up having to come over Blood Mountain in this truck. And it is a steep, windy road. So the brakes were getting hot. Had to pull over because they were getting too hot. Engine was overheating. So we had to pull over for a while to let the truck and the brakes cool down, and now this. But it did have a load on it, that dually over there. But we've hauled much heavier loads on it when we were moving. And it did better than it did this time. Which, got new brakes and everything on it. Now it'll have new tires too. Or at least one new tire. See if our charge account's still good down here in Georgia for the tire dealer. Yeah, that's why I said we'll have to see if we still have a charge account and we can charge some tires to it to get back home. Brought the dually down here because we have sold it. This thing keeps on. We might just sell this sucker while we're down here too. We bought that dually brand new in 1999. We towed vehicles with a trailer and our other wreckers with that truck for the federal government. Back in the early, mid-90s. Then we sold it when Thomas had heart surgery around the early 2000s. Then the guy that bought it passed away, and his family wanted to know if we wanted it back, so we bought it back. And now we ended up selling it again. I'm not sure what time it is. Probably about 9. 8:30. Well, we gotta run back in advance and give them some more money real quick. Okay, he went in, got a couple of things from Advance, and got the tire off before I got back around here with the camera. never a dull moment for us. Like I said, it could have been worse. We could have been stranded over there on Blood Mountain with nowhere to pull off on the side of the road. So, glad that it didn't happen there. So there's that. It's still holding air. I'm glad it didn't blow up when he was taking it off. There goes the Love's rescue truck. We didn't have MacGyver here, we'd have to call somebody like that. It's nice being married to a man who knows how to do everything. He knows how to build houses and fix trucks and cars and literally anything. He's taught me how to do a lot of stuff too through the years. And our kids. So I guess right now we're going to get this cleaned up. Wait on Devin to come get the trailer. I may run around the corner here and grab us a hamburger or something for supper. We haven't eaten anything yet. While we wait and see what the next step's going to be. Well, he's going to load the rim and the flat tire up on the bed of the truck. And then we will see if we can continue our journey tonight. And go grab something to eat. We've got a squatter. What's your plan? You're just gonna continue on driving it like that?
Yeah.
Because we don't have that far to go?
Yeah.
And then we'll get a tire in the morning and get this put on. to just slide up on there, but of course it's wanting to pop a wheelie. It's grabbing on that rubber on the bottom that's ripped off. Not going to do it.
I don't get it.
Well, it still has air in it too, so be careful. Secured and get this wrapped up, go on up, get some supper, and continue our journey. So just thought we would bring you along on a little bit of our trip. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Right. Yes, we do. We need tires. Thanks for watching.